Unlike the other types of content on your website, web forms are not added under Content, Add Content. Instead, we're going to go over to Structure, and at the very bottom here, there is a separate web forms link. The advantage of being in a different place means all your web forms are collected into a single location here. This helps separate them out from the other content types, an especially useful thing because editing web forms is quite different. So, on this page, I can see a listing of all the web forms on my site. Right now, I only have 2. However, if there was a particularly large number, I can use the filter options to narrow down what I'm looking at. You can see here that I have the ability to filter things like title, category, and even if a form is open or closed or not. The list of web forms down here gives us the title for each, an optional description and category, and more on that in the next video, whether the form is open, closed, or on a schedule, who the author is, and a quick note here that if someone is removed from your website, it will not delete the form, but it will turn the author field blank. We can also see the number of results, as well as a few operations that we can do with each form. Our main operation here is build. Now, I know everywhere else on the site we have edit buttons, but for web forms this is replaced with build. If I click the downward facing arrow here, I can get a few more options. View, which shows us the live version of the form, also what users of the site will see. Results, which show us the answers to all questions on the form. Settings, allowing us to tweak some extra options. Duplicate, and that, as the name implies, copies a form. And finally, delete, in case we need to get rid of a form permanently.